Fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us. We got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys. I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a barrel of fun. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway. Who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap. Fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us. We got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys. I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a barrel of fun. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway. Who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap. Well, don't it seem like a drag?
Hey guys, it's just Bryant and me out here on the beach today. Caroline and Jamie and the boys have already gone in. We're just relaxing, chilling and having a great time. So we're gonna do something a little different tonight for supper. Isaac and Jess are going somewhere. Caroline and Jamie and the boys are going to do their own thing.
And we're going to do some waterfront dining.
We're going to have a special romantic night. Just the two of us.
That's right.
So I'll try to video, but I probably won't video everything. I'll just show you our food. So
we'll take you along with us. If everything goes well, we're going to have some waterfront dining at a little restaurant here in Cherry Grove. That's called what?
Fillets.
Fillets. So stay with us. All right, guys, this is a 10-ounce Delmonico ribeye steak with some shrimp skewers, Cajun cream corn, and red garlic mashed potatoes. And that is the pecan crusted chicken with asparagus and the red skin potatoes. So getting ready to dig in to see how it all is.
Okay, y'all, so supper the other night was absolutely delicious. It was wonderful. And, I mean, my chicken, it had a honey drizzle over it, was so good. Tonight we're having taco salads here in the room, and then we're taking the boys to Family Kingdom to ride some rides and so forth. So, my last video, not tonight, but the next video I upload will probably be just a bunch of clips rolled into one. Because several days rolled into one. So, thank you guys so much for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. Thank you for coming with us on vacation. So, there'll be one more vacation video. Probably one more. Maybe two. But, anyway, we're just my editing is very minimal. And just putting clips together for you guys. So thank you again for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife, and remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Oh, and by the way, Bryant's sister is down here, and she is just like 4 or 5 blocks over, so we went to visit them today. That was really fun. So anyway, thank you guys for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife, and I will see you Saturday. And I was going to tell you guys one more thing. When we get home, we're going to hit the ground running, getting my house set back up so I can do the big reveal of the remodel. So, like I said, we got some painting to do, some moving furniture, and putting things back, and figuring out where things are going to go now that walls are missing. So, the big reveal is coming soon on my house, but it may not be the first video as soon as we get home, because we got a lot to do before I can give you that final big reveal of the remodel. So I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.